Students, Mr. O here. I am headed to the gym. I can't go to the gym because of social distancing. The gym is closed. Never mind that. I'm going to go to martial arts. I can't do that. Dojo's closed due to social distancing. Students, today's lesson is Homeschool PE with Coach O. Let's get started. So if I can't go to the playground at school for recess, I'll go to my own playground. Looks like my old playground is not what it used to be. Bummer. So before we even get back into the house, we've converted some of the garage into our homeschool gym. We've got some stock bar with some chain and 2 eye screws into the ceiling. Now you're gonna need your parents' permission before you put holes in the ceiling. Trust me. But if it's done safely and securely, you're good here up top. Down below, we've got carpets and pads. So let's test out the homeschool gym garage version. So with the bar, we've got our chin-ups. We've got our pull-ups. And if you say those are too difficult, okay. Hanging chin-ups or hanging pull-ups are just how long you can hold here. If you can't do one, how long can you hold here? 1, 2, count the seconds. If that's too easy for you, take one of the hands away. You got one arm pull-ups. I know we have rules about no gymnastics at school, and those are good rules, but those rules do not apply to homeschool PE. So if you got the gymnastics, chin-ups or pull-ups aren't your style, there's nothing wrong. We're just doing any gymnastics that you're used to. Have fun. All right, our basic computers. Probably spending a lot of time here, especially grown-ups. Okay, what can we do while we're here? We call this the screen and sweat. So we've got an exercise bicycle underneath the desk. Not exciting enough for you? And add the leg weights. Still not enough exciting for you. Add heavier leg weights. This is definitely screen and sweat. These are my personal favorite, and they come in several different brands. It's basically a dumbbell, but it's adjustable, so you can lift the entire thing, or you can just let pieces of it, or somewhere in the middle. So whatever number is best for you, we can make this work, and it doesn't take up a lot of space. Okay, this is the old reliable. We've got our screen, we've got our sweat, and this comes in at several different speeds. These are inexpensive. You can put these just about anywhere, and there's about like 4 dozen things plus you can do to this. We're going to roll a quick montage, and I'm just going to show you how many things we can do with just a set of tracks. Most people use chairs. Got it, you sit in a chair. But get a ball. These don't cost a lot of money. You can go anywhere and keep on working that posture and all that core. It's actually pretty fun. Video game. Okay, if you don't have this one and this one's not for you, maybe this one's for you. Either way, it's still screen and sweating. This one's not working for you? Okay, then this video game controller might work for you. This sport is great. My point. If that's not enough for you, you can always step. If that's not enough, you can step and leg weight. Of course, the real sport is better than any sport on the screen. So, doesn't matter what sport it is, get out there and play ball. Good. Well, here's a wall. Any wall, you have at least 4 of them. This one's in the shade outside, and all I'm doing is pushing against a wall. Don't worry, it's not gonna go anywhere. But I can take my turns pushing here and pushing here. I'm even holding a smartphone, which you probably have and using a lot. And I can do anything I want with one hand on my screen while I'm working the other. If this one gets tired, I'll just switch back. So when all else fails, you can always go walking or jogging outside. All you need are these and this. So as we roll credits, we're gonna reminisce about all the other ways we can have fun on recess while going outside. Until then, keep calm, get going. You want to help me? Get